So my buddy Ken came to our place, taught me how to mud. So we've got a lot of the mudding done in the bathroom. It's only the first coat. Looking pretty good, I must add. He's done a great job, taught me a lot. One thing I like about learning new things is don't gotta depend on people, but this is gonna come out good. So 3 more coats of mud here, then a sanding, and that'll be good. And here we got the giprock up on this wall here, which is not that much of a hard job, but when you don't know how to do it right. So we got this whole wall done here, all the way down, whole wall here. I'm gonna start mudding this pretty soon, and Ken will probably show up later on and help finishing the second coat of mud in the bathroom. Yeah, got the wall up, and it used to be all open and everything, but now it's not all open, it's closed. It really makes the place a little bit smaller. So I'll do some sound insulation and get some giprock up there later on. Gonna put in another wall right along here, and that'll kind of be like the game room. Yeah, a lot of work, no easy task, but it's getting done. Looking pretty good, I can honestly tell you that. Go a little bit more light. So next step will be to mud all this off, paint it, and then we're going to put in a door here. That'll be the storage area, and yeah, a lot of progress. A lot of work has been done. I'll tell you one thing, giprocking and mudding is a pretty dirty job, but we'll get her done. This bathroom here will be done. Get this painted, get the ceramic floor in, the toilet. The pot lights will be put in this week. Yeah, so there's the update, folks.